Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today where I'm doing post-repairs final tests on Alison's older Breckwell pellet stove controller. Alison sent me this one because it had intermittent problems. She did call in a service person to help her with her stove, but that person was not able to resolve the issue. So after that, I agreed that I would have a look at it for her. She sent it to me and I received it earlier this week. After receiving the controller, I did some troubleshooting work on it. I found a couple of issues with it, I repaired those, and I'm now ready to do final tests. As you can see, Alison's controller is connected to my tester. My tester is made up of a few items. Of course, we see the two-part controller that belongs to Alison. I have a faceplate that the controller is mounted on. On the faceplate, I have an actual auger motor behind there, and the shaft from the auger motor comes out the front where I have a decal on it to X marks the spot, so that in the video you can see when the motor is spinning. You'll also hear the motor while the motor is spinning. At the rear I have 4 light bulbs, but in fact only 2 of them are going to come on for this test. The combustion fan in blue, and in yellow the auger motor fan. So when the auger motor fan comes on, you'll hear the auger motor drive, you'll see the X marks the spot decal spin. I'm now ready to turn on the controller, and I'll do that by turning on my tester. Since these switches are not engaged right now, the wiring for those stayed behind in Alison's stove. We see that one light has come on, the combustion fan. I'm on low, so nothing is going on. When I press on the red auger button here, we'll see the green light come on to tell us we're in automatic mode. And you see that took place. I also heard a relay click on here, so that's fine. I can now tap this with confidence. Tap it with confidence, knowing that nothing is non-functional on there or loose. Since I've turned it on, a timer has started here, and shortly we should see the first cycle, there it is, of the auger. I'm on low, so the auger cycle was quite low. Very few pellets would have been pushed into the stove. So let's go one more cycle of that. It'll take a few seconds to get there, probably around 20-25 seconds. There it is, there's the second one. Now I'm going to increase the speed to max, and we see the intensity of the combustion fan increase. The light got brighter, so the motor would be running faster. And we wait for the next cycle of the auger motor to come on. Now notice how it's much longer. Longer on cycle and shorter off duration. So we'll have another cycle really quick here. Let's wait for that to happen. There it is, long on time, short off time. So let's go back to low. We see the intensity of the combustion fan go low, and we have a longer wait period between cycles and a very short cycle duration. Notice that. So there we are, Alison. Once again, your pellet stove controller is fully functional. I did find 2 things wrong with it, and I corrected them both. I want to thank you very much for sending me your controller. I appreciate that very much. And for all you other viewers watching this video, if you have a pellet stove controller of your own, whether it's a Breckwell, Quadrifire, USSC, or other brands, and you need to have it serviced, please feel free to contact me. My contact information can be found in the video description just below this video. In the meantime, I hope you'll take a few seconds to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.
Warmest the house has been in 2 weeks. Woohoo!